morning, guys. Good morning. Get you a husband that shames you every time. But anyways, good morning. Good morning, guys. And welcome to a tingling adventure food edition. We get these every now and again. Last time it was wings. Well, no, we've done a couple things. But the last one that we actually like drove out and did was wings. Today we wanted Panda Express because we had Panda Express at the airport. And like we've just been craving the orange chicken ever since then. So we just went to Stockyards, got some Panda Express. I'm about to head to the liquor store, pick up a bottle of wine. It's the weekend. We're supposed to be at a cottage, but the car that I got was actually giving us issues and broke down on us on the highway yesterday. So we didn't bother because it's about 3 hours away from where we are in Toronto. So we're missing out on that. Yeah, still gonna make it a weekend. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, still gonna make it a weekend. As I said, we just went to Panda Express. I want to go to this place called 6 Donuts and get some of their donuts. I've seen a lot about them on TikTok. It was between them and Mr. Puffs. Mr. Puffs, I would have to take the highway, and I cannot go on the highway right now. So 6 Donuts it is. They have a location downtown, so I'm gonna head over there after we go to the liquor store. And Walmart, we gotta go back to Walmart and pick up some juice. You want to try your food?
No, yes.
You sure?
I drive. I love second. I want to watch a movie and relax.
I don't know who's doing all of that tonight,
review.
guys.
Yeah, we have to review it.
Again, I don't know who's doing all of that with you guys tonight, but yeah, journey with us. Yeah, you gonna say hi or no?
Big up, you know?
You get too nice for the camera or something?
Start. I mean.
It's like, you know, once upon a time you just chat. Now you're not.
No, you don't say that. Don't say that. Don't make it that way. First, you kind of tired-ish. If you tell the people them let's come from Mexico.
We've been back 1 week today. We've been back 1 week today.
You know?
We've been back 1 week today.
Get humbly in a way where you know start observe more, you know? Talk less, you know? Big up, you know?
Who are you talking about?
I love, you know?
You're talking about me.
All the time, start I love.
You're not talking about yourself. Mr. I post everything? What are you talking about?
All the posts are gonna carry meticulous scrutinize. Yeah? But big up, man. I love all the time, man. Always. That can't switch, you know? Blessing. Vlog world. No, married a vlog girl.
I was waiting for it, but it took a little long.
Oh, I know, I say it. A long time I say it.
Anyways, y'all. See you at the next stop.
Yeah, now.
Oh. Anyways, y'all. I just seen one of my mates.
Where?
Anyways, we're at the liquor store. Ooh, and my two wines are always beside each other. Oh, yeah, anyways, you owe me $30.
Oh, we're at $30?
30. No, I don't want Bartonora. I want this one. Y'all, these are my two faves. Okay?
And them they're beside each other.
Right beside each other. The Italy wines, if you come to LCBO. Yeah. There's a wine I seen on TikTok. It's like black people owned. No, it's black owned. And it's like a summer. No. That's girls' night out. That's girls' night out. You remember how did the liquor store looked when we were having the long weekend compared to now? Yeah, I want to try to find it and come back, okay? I'll be right back, okay? Un momento, por favor. The one beside it, the twin fin coconut and lychee. Coconut and lychee? Yo, this is the one that I seen on TikTok. Caribbean to Cornwall. Coast to coast Caribbean to Cornwall. I don't know. Yo, I'm gonna try this before summer is done. Coconut and lychee. That has to be nice. Anyways, guys, yeah, I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's acting up again. But anyways, we're off to Wally now. Secured the wine. Big up my man.
I have somebody, my friend.
No, you're right. I don't have a man. I just saw my mate 5 minutes ago.
Cheers, you know?
And this is where I'm going to see her again because I know this is where she was coming. because this is where she was walking to. We were going to the liquor store and she was still going straight. She's coming to Walmart. Nah. Juice. No, you're gonna have to get something else. They have the original like lemonade.
Yeah, so I'll try that. I want something with that soda.
I can pick up one.
I love soda.
Okay, let's get the soda first.
I can't tell mom to get the food tomorrow.
Oh shucks. Y'all be right back. Let me call my mama. Guys, so I'm back home. Don't mind the messy room. Tomorrow is clean day, okay? We weren't supposed to be here this weekend. Anyways, went to 6 Donuts and I got me some I got me some donuts. This is what's left of it. This is the strawberry topping and this is the this was the blue. This is the blue vanilla with cinnamon toast crunch, baby. That combo, top tier. I don't know. I seen the cinnamon toast crunch. I have a thing for cinnamon toast crunch lately. I've been craving cinnamon toast crunch, but not really eat it with the milk. But yeah, Ava buzz, buzzy, buzzy. The thing Ava buzz. It's buzzing. Look at that. So good. Anyway, yeah, so we're home. Bye, everyone. Home. Babe soon consume. When I get my food, I'll come back and I'll show you guys. And yeah, wine is chilling. Yeah. Hey guys, so heading to my baby cousin's birthday party in Niagara Falls. So come with me. And my baby cousin, well not babies, but my little cousins. Listen. Yes, you can. Brother and sister, and my big cousin Willie. We're going to Niagara Falls. That is where the party will be. It's a cool party. So yeah, come with me.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bomb, 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 your body, kakara, make a bomb, 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 on a make a tick. Kilo fat, I'm a dead chocolate, fine, oh, bucket, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate, bush it ready, yeah, imade, double dose, kilo fat.
Say hi.
Hey, you were playing football, weren't you? Exactly. You even play sports? What do you mean? I play soccer.
Oh man, party done?
No, man, party.
You don't have
Jesus. Sorry guys, party done. Party lock off. When they come back up, me show no wagwan. But yeah, it was like Wild Water Kingdom out here.
The original.
Wild Water Kingdom.
With Peak Perks, your smartphone is going to keep you comfortable.
Anyways, made it to Niagara. Made it to Niagara.
Don't get to the game, man. No.
You have permission? You have permission? Actually, no, I don't want to put it in my video because YouTube are going to ban me. I don't want to put it in my video, sorry. Yeah. Made it to Niagara. Parties keep it. There was pizza? Wow. This is not from today. Y'all, this girl made us drive 2 hours for hot dogs and hamburger. Comment down below, let me know. So how do picnic them reach without the adults? How did they reach here without the adults? May I wait for the... You're not giving the explanation?
No.
Yeah, so what
Some of them came by themselves.
so what finiam? What
Some of them
finiam?
are neighbors.
What finiam? What finiam?
Most of them
See, you dad cousin this so. Fool, you see? Fool for a long time. She just don't know anything. She just don't know anything, man. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna make my drink in my cup. So I told y'all it's a pool party. Told y'all I wasn't lying. I'm not lying, no. I'm not telling a lie. Won't if I lie. Miles, say hi. This is Miles, and he doesn't say hi.
How does he even get to be in the video?
He's different. He's already in the videos, so they know him already.
Oh, yeah.
But you don't know me?
No, I don't know if you have permission.
She's Zoisha.
Oh, Lord. I don't know if your parents are going to agree, and we can't go through all of them this something day. You understand? There's one half of the birthday boys. I mean, the twins. Say hi, Wesley. Say it's my birthday and I'm 4. Say it to the camera. Say it's my birthday and I'm 4. Woo!
Ayun.
You just said you that was gonna come.
One thing with kids, once they see a camera, they are definitely posing for it. Should I put it right here? Yeah, this came out wonderful. Okay, let me take a picture. Take your picture before you
I like a birthday cake.
You do?
And you get this birthday cake. It's so fun. It's little. It's a crab and a seahorse and a little fool. And a dolphin and an octopus.
Yes, you're so smart.
Even a fish.
Happy birthday, Wesley. Happy birthday. Mwah. Mwah.
This is a nice cake, Western. Good job.
Okay, you ready for us to sing you happy?
He always does that in every
Yeah, I would
cake.
like you to sing happy.
Don't do that.
Okay, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Let's call Kennedy.
And now,
Wait, hold on. No, you sit here. Sit here. Don't move, okay? This is your birthday chair. Sit right here.
okay.
We're gonna clear this table.
Yeah, we're gonna sing a happy birthday song.
Yeah. Okay, let's clear this.
Mom, do you
We're gonna say happy birthday to you now.
Yeah, ready?
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Trevor.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kennedy and Weston. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Yay! Blow down, Weston! Oh, they forgot to make a wish. Good job, guys. You're gonna cut it. Wait. Oh, yeah, box the cat. Oh, yeah, box is some ultimate on. Wait. Wait, Kenny. I'm doing it, but I gotta put it in first. Come, put your hand. Put your hand.
I'll just take a
And then.
The knife is so
Woo! Yay!
Do you like it?
Yeah. Okay, great. Yay! Happy birthday, guys.
The knife is so sharp. I told you this guy is detailed.
Help this girl and she boxed it out of my hand. Like she boxed my hand. Oh my gosh.
If it's ice cream,
Dance. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. You want a drink? You want a drink?
Yeah.
Hennessy?
Sure, whatever you got.
Get sturdy. Get sturdy. Get sturdy. If I put some music on, you're gonna get sturdy, right? All right. Where's the phone? Where's my phone?
You like happy birthday?
Yeah.
Shim. Yes? Miles?
happy birthday.
Yeah. Definitely.
She can eat the side?
Yeah. Yep.
You're trying, Wait. I'm trying.
Nice. You don't want?
Hmm?
You don't want? Come on, have some cake.
I don't want cake.
You don't want cake? Show me the camera. Thank you, darling. Okay, guys, my job is done. Battery dead. Bye. Bye. Happy birthday, Twinnie. Say bye. Y'all, this is gonna be for TikTok, but well, I'm recording for TikTok, but I want to show you guys as well. So I'm about to try the infamous. I'm so excited. I don't think you guys understand. I have been seeing this all over my For You page on TikTok. We're ready. So anyways, my one. People, I did a thing. Yep. TikTok made me do it. Baby, I've been seeing this all over my For You page. I had to get them. Big up Walmart. Big up Canada. We have little things. Yeah? Right, this is she. Me, I go warm up them, y'all. Dress them up and try them. Because to all of them people, I make them look this one something can not be so nice. It after nice. It after nice. Right, be right back. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. How much is something, sir? How much is something, sir? 3 minutes. All right, be right back. 3 minutes. Soon come. I got the sauce. Okay, 3 minutes. Do I do it in the bag? All right, guys. I'm gonna get the rib behind the scenes, but yeah, but just cut them. This is the perks of recording content for two. You get 2 different views, even though it's the same thing. But anyways, yeah, you guys get the longer version while they get the chopped and screwed, you know. It smells pretty good, actually. So here we go. I'm kind of smaller than I didn't expect, but anyways, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I am so freaking excited. I don't think y'all understand. Open up these in the meantime. So I got oops. I got all of my condominiums. I got this, the chili oil. This is a bootleg sriracha, soya sauce, and And I have my sweet chili. And then I have the sauce. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Right. Oh, they said to slit it first. Hey! Okay. Alright, well, that's in there. Put a little of the sweet chili. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, alright, yeah. Alright, look a lot of soy. Ooh. Boy, that's a lot. Boy, alright. And then relax, relax, little girl, relax. This looks good. Like, oh, like the redness that I see that this be given. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there was absolutely no way me never did go eat this without this. You're crazy, people. You know, so somewhere in my ancestry Asian in there, you know. South Asian off in there. Alright. Yeah, man, them look soapy. Oh, God. Okay, all I smell is soy sauce. Alright. Here goes. Amen. Get one spoon just in case. Where are all my spoons? Where my other spoons are. Get a spoon just in case. Whew. Where I'm putting me, Jesus. Okay. Whew. Whew. All right. The spice kick. I don't know if I put a little too much or anything, but wow. There's just so much going on in your mouth at one time. It bad. It nice. People. Wow. Hi guys. So, Future Zoe here. I just wanted to quickly come in and say something before we get into this next part of the vlog, just because I realized a lot of my files were corrupt and not able to use, so you're not gonna get it. Well, there's a lot that you missed in regards to what's about to come next. So in the next part of this vlog, you guys are about to see me start preparing for an event, which was my family fun day event, and I have been trying to put on this event for the last maybe 2 years or so, and summer was ending and I was just like, I have to do this event this year, especially with everything that was going on with my uncle, and also at my cousin's kid's birthday party, which you guys would have seen earlier in this video. And what else had happened? I can't remember what else had happened. And we got together, and the kids, like the younger cousins, like all wanted to like sleep over at somebody's house or whatever, because like they barely get to see one another. And when they do get to see one another, it's only for like maybe like an hour or two. Like they don't really get to spend time with each other. And I just feel like there's a lot of groups within our family that link up or get invited to certain things or go out with one another or whatever. I don't feel like everybody gets to see people and converse and get updated on things that are going on in everybody's life. And I just feel like a lot was happening within our family within this last year or so. So I just felt like it was necessary to do it this year and not make this year pass. And thank God I did, because literally 3 days after, or 4 days after I had Family Fun Day, I think I had it on September 2nd or September 3rd, one of those days, my uncle ended up passing away. So yeah, it was like this needed to happen. And not everybody got to make it. You won't really get to hear me speak a lot about it, but I'm super happy that I was actually able to do it and start it. And everybody was so excited. Everybody was just like, yes, like thank you, like, you know, for doing this or whatever, because I feel like a lot of people have the same mindset. It's just not everybody is willing to or wants to host events, right? But me, I'm that one in the family that will really try to get people together, even in my friend groups. Like I'm the one that will try to host and do stuff and try to get people together. So I definitely wanted to do it for my family, and I'm so happy that I did. Like, again, as I said, it was amazing. Like my friends, my family, we got out, we were active, we made memories. And again, everybody was already asking like if we're doing it same time, same place next year. So you know, it's got to be an annual thing now. So I can't wait to see what it becomes. Hopefully next year, everybody that was supposed to make it can make it. And who knows, more people can come out and everybody can make it on time, so that we can actually like do what we need to do, how we need to do it, and all of that kind of stuff. But for the first year, considering the time frame that I did it in, I'm really happy with the turnout and how everything came together. Shout out to all my family members that pitched in and helped, and just shout out to all my family and friends that made it and came and made it what it was. I was grateful. Like, I got so many messages after, so many calls after, just advising that it was a great thing that I did, and that's what I do these things for. So yeah, so that is what we are getting into. I just had to come here and just say that so you guys know exactly like what's coming next, because as I said, I'm just gonna get into like preparing, and I wasn't able to verbalize. Well, I did, but the footage just wasn't working. But I don't even know if I was able. I'm pretty sure I did a haul, but you guys wouldn't have seen like all the stuff that I got to, like, that I got for the event. But basically what I wanted it to be was kind of like a sports day. I've always wanted to attend a sports day in Jamaica. I've never been able to, for some reason. Like every time like my brother or my sister were in school and they were having a sports day, like I just wasn't in Jamaica, so I've never been able to attend one. And they always just look so fun to me. Like they just look so fun to me, like any activity. And also just going back on like certain family being able to link up and stuff like that, I just feel like there's also a lot of activities that were not able to include both adults and kids, and I wanted that, you know, something where we can bring the kids and not have to necessarily worry about them, and still have fun as adults as well. So I was happy about that. For the kids, I had tie-dye, there was a water park, what other activities did I have for the kids? I think I had like bracelets, to make bracelets or whatever. There was bubbles, all of that kind of stuff. And the ice cream truck came, we got ice cream, all of that stuff. So the kids were good. And then they also participated in the sports day like part as well. And then the adults as well, like I was nervous that they weren't going to participate, but surprisingly everybody was like family spirit. Like, let's do this, let's have fun, this is what we came here to do. So everybody participated, as you guys will see, and it was just really, really fun. Like, really, really fun. I can't wait for next year. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Yeah, so as I was saying before, my camera was deciding to be rude. Got a lot of things going on in the kitchen right now. We have the chicken to clean and season. It's 3:30 right now. Doing pretty good for time. I'm about to make some jello shooters, and I also have the stove on with my noodle water to make my pasta salad. So I'm gonna do this first. Can't tell you the last time I made jello. Can't tell you the last time I made jello. Behind the kitchen, y'all, if you see it's a mess, we're working. Okay. All right. So I have 40 of these little cups. That's what I'm gonna be using. 2 ounces. Yeah, that's a normal shot ratio, or normal shot amount, I should say. So these. Open them all just in case. All right, so how do I do this? Stir 1 cup of boiling water, and then stir in 1 cup of cold water or fruit juice. Okay, so I'm gonna put a cup of hot water and then a cup of alcohol. So let's just do 1 first. I don't know how much 1 packet is gonna cover. Mix, and then a cup of boiling water. That's what we're looking like, just regular. Oh, 30 minutes. Okay. Ooh, the color's so pretty.
game, but it's true, cause you call me.
That's what they're looking like right now. I got these candies to put on swap. So green apple, peach, and blue raspberry. Maybe summertime.
Don't let it fall, girl.
What gives me the pleasure when there ain't an audience? You act like you know better. Curtains closed, but still let me know.
So guys, we're here. Yeah guys, so 12:49. Mr. Tinglin is doing his job over there on the grill. Oh, this is my shirt. Oh yeah. Oh, this is the kiddie table. I have all their tie-dye stuff underneath there. Say hi to the vlog. Watcha.
Hello, Miss Madame.
Hola. Welcome to Family Fun Day. Okay, first game. We gotta fill the bottle. Hey! We're gonna have a sponge in there. You're gonna have to run. We're gonna line up. First person comes, fills it in, runs back, drops it. The next person comes, fills it in. Whoever gets to the top first wins.
Win what? What are we gonna win?
Don't worry about the prize.
This
bottle.
So whatever side you're on.
So whatever said it is.
There's a prize here.
First, yeah. He helped you that day, right? Run. You hear what she said? Hey. No, Mariel, no listen. It's taking can run too. He's going to go first, but you know hear what she said.
So we have to fill it? Yes.
So you get the sponge and you throw the sponge. Yeah, you bring back here. That is the plan.
Whoever has most at the end wins.
That is the plan.
See ya.
All right, guys, come on. This is where we're starting.
All right, are you first? You're gonna you
Are
first.
these teams fair?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, hold on. How does it work?
Hello, sweetheart.
From here
To there.
to there, and then back, and then the next person goes.
Oh, so we line up over there.
That's great. Everybody, come line up around here. Come around here, so. Come line up around here, so. Yellow team over here, sir. Multicolor team over here, so.
You need one of those mic things.
Everybody see the sponge with the water? Yeah? Yay! So we're gonna grab the sponge, run over there, squeeze it in, come back. The next person goes, does the same thing. If this water finish first, great. Then whoever have the most water in this on the end wins. Alright. Listen. Just on your mark, get set, go, okay? Okay? Just on your mark, get set, go. Shad, can you check my camera's recording? All right, go on. She can fix it up for me.
Okay. Go back.
Listen, I was trying, okay? Let's cheat in.
This can't go in there.
My turn.
Watch out, go, Bobby! Yes, Bobby! Yes, Bobby! Squeeze it, Bobby!
How am I supposed to squeeze it in? Just keep squeezing it in. This ain't squeezing nowhere. Go back. William, you think your man that's the way?
Oh, shit.
Run.
Darren, start liquor, because you're not food.
Yes, Darren! Come on,
Yeah, squeeze it. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. No. Squeeze it out.
Squeeze it. Okay, go. Okay. Run back. At this point, let's just call it. Run back.
No, man, I did one time, that's all.
The water!
Let's get it down. Go back.
Yeah, see that squeeze up. As long as the water is on the table.
You know why you have
You wanna play?
Why wanna make a little phone calls at this one? This one. No. This one. Woo! Hey, boy.
Go back now.
Adam. I want to run with the gun. Brick rules. All right. Oh my God. No, watch out. We win.
Pull up here.
It's done. It was whoever finished the water first or filled the bottle. We finished with water first. All right, yellow team, 1.
Yay, team, we did it!
Round 2. Round 3 is like that.
I'm gonna come back in the play.
So Zoe setting up the next obstacle course.
Let's ride back up. We have them here too. It's coming. Since you mentioned it. Since you mentioned it, it's coming. Yep, it's coming. If there's any more after. You're not gonna pass. Huh? What? Father?
What about energy? You need some kids in your life.
Yeah, don't worry. God will bless you. Until then, I'll work you guys out. Okay, let's go. Run around there. Okay, so run around the pine cone and come back. Okay.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. It's bobsled time.
Go!
Okay, go. Around the pylon. Over here. Now run back. Run back.
All you guys are cheating.
You went over there yesterday. What is it? What did I need from them? Oh, can you tell me this that spot? You hear that spot? I don't know, there's some more broad people. Yeah.
Hey, good job, guys.
Carter.
Yo, go. No, next side, go to the next side.
There's 2 bottles of water.
Keep going! No, leave it. Come back. Leave it. Come back, turn around, come back. Yay! Oh! That's okay, try again. Come back! You guys got it! Okay, that's okay, try again, no problem. Take your time. That's right. There you go.
Okay, one more left.
They're so high. Oh my god.
So hot.
Come on, get back up. Dust yourself off and try again. Come.
That's fun. Oh my god. Come on, let's go. Come on. Go back to your team. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go. Hey. Zoe. Oh my god. Put his foot in the water. I don't miss it. I'm not else. No, it's not yours. This is mom. Tanika. He put his foot right in the water. One thing with Miles, anywhere is water. He put his whole foot in the water when his shoes pants off. What is this? His whole foot? No, he put it in the water. Put it down. Are your ears painted on? Hello? Yeah, his ears are painted on. Trevor, whoa! You're supposed to hold the stick at the end, not at the top. Good job, Anaya. Yes, Nai. It's okay, keep going, baby. Put them on and keep going. Yeah.
Oh man. That's how I'm done with you. Fair thing is over.
All right, John.
Hey, Miles.
Oh my God. It's your drink, show them all. Where would you like me to show them? All the way down there?
Oh, yeah.
She's got to figure it out.
Oh, you guys ready now? Okay. Okay. Ready, set, go. Let's go.
Let's go! Go, Otto!
Go, you have to achieve. You want to know the joke? In 10 years, you won't be able to do that.
Yes, buddy!
Need everything. Man. Do you not respect anybody? Come over here.
Alright guys! Thank you! That was fun! Everybody won for the first year. Let's go! Next year
You don't want to know. Hey!
We'll go with another one.
Set. Alright. Oh God.
Dad, where's the water bottle?
I can do it right now. You're giving me 10 more? No, don't worry. In 10? Don't worry. The first year I just needed to be able to demonstrate. The first year I just needed to be able to demonstrate. Next year? Don't look at my bum, pervert. Miles! Let's go. Let's go. Pick up my hand. Pick up all the stuff. Can I have my egg, please? Oh, okay. I'll make you get it. No, the water. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go to Mom. Let's go. Here. I'm gonna find Zoe, man. Zoe, yes, something I want.
All right, let's go now.
He doesn't want it. Like, come on. Take the noodles. Okay, come.
Yeah, I'm worried about the chuck up.
You're too miserable. Miserable. Can you come here, ball? You not tired? Eh? You not tired, ball? Every time you see your ball. No. Yes, it's true. Put him in the bag. The bag, if you put him in and cover it. Put him in the bag. Oh God. It's just like when they come here, like when they kiss them body and when they go to Jamaica, they go like Lego bees and start run up and down. Oh my Lord. Like the other two, when they start at school, like the same story, God help them a teacher, they. Want a balloon? That's where you go.
Shan! Shanika!
The government servants just start at school. no. We need space, so. Mr. and Miss Skipper, we need space, so. Come on. We need space, so. TV and phone and things. So we need space, so. Barney and all them nonsense. And you reckon you can't get them to the parents that will make it over. Okay, go to daddy. See daddy there? Go to daddy. Oh, daddy, come to daddy. Go to daddy. Come take your child. Come take it. Oh, Miles, look. Miles, look. There's daddy. Go. There's daddy. Look. Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Shan, am I asleep?
Huh?
Huh?
Go to daddy.
Really? See me a call if it's the whole list. Oh, he's looking good. You can't make the boy asleep. Oh God.
You sleep anyway? Watch it, all the walk in the sleep.
You can't make the boy asleep. Tired. I put him in bed. Huh? Put him in bed.
Say hi.
My name is Beth.
Whoa! What's your whole eye? Move there, man. Move. On Tuesday. You're a big boy now. I'm so proud of you.